Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Highway to Hell on ukulele. We will start by learning the 3 essential chords for this iconic song: A, D, and G. These are fundamental chords that many ukulele players already know, making this a perfect tune for beginners. Make sure your ukulele is tuned correctly to G C before you begin. Practicing these chord shapes and switching between them smoothly is your first step to rocking out. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is quite straightforward. A basic down-down-up-up-down-up pattern will capture the song's energy perfectly. Try to keep a steady, driving rhythm, mimicking the original track's feel. Remember to keep your strumming hand loose and relaxed. This helps produce a clear, resonant sound. Practice this pattern slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. Now, let's put those chords and strumming together into the song's structure. The main chord progression for both the verse and the chorus is a simple 4-chord loop: A, D, G, and then back to D. You'll repeat this sequence throughout the entire song, making it incredibly easy to follow along. Listen to the original track to get a feel for when the chord changes occur, and try to match your playing to the rhythm. To truly master Highway to Hell on your ukulele, consistent practice is key. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, ensuring each chord change is clean and your strumming is even. Once you feel comfortable, try playing along with the original recording. This is an excellent way to improve your timing and feel for the song. With a little dedication, you'll be confidently strumming this classic in no time. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.